More recruits are on their way, Batman. Even as we speak, members of the Justice League reserve team are loading up and heading out. Good luck. The Joker have teamed up to take control of Metropolis. We're doing everything we can to defend this city of tomorrow. But with Luthor's off-the-charts intellect and the Joker's gifts for chaos and destruction, it hasn't been easy. See, Luthor has used his vast wealth and resources to monitor each member of the Justice League in action and identify our individual weaknesses. Now, Luthor's using those weaknesses against us. Supergirl, the Flash, and Green Lantern have already been captured. Only Superman, Batman, Wonder Woman, and I are left to defend Metropolis. That's why we're recruiting brave citizens like you to join us in the battle. Based on intel we've gathered from out in the field, we believe our friends are being held at LexCorp headquarters. We need to break in and rescue them. It's so heavily guarded, it might be the most dangerous place on the planet. With your help, we hope to breach the security, free the captured members of the League, and return the city to order.
Cyborg? Really? You and your little team of dimwits are no match for what we have planned. Now that half of the Justice League is out of our hair, we're having a wild time taking over Metropolis. We just can't wait for these victims, volunteers, to come out here and join the party. It will be a real blast.
Okay, teams. Move on. Using the editor can temporarily distinguish the tilted black.
Trying to stand me with those bastards all day. Get up, boys! You madman! You'll pay for what you've done. Say goodnight, Superman.
I'll take him to LexCorp headquarters. You deal with these people.
Follow me, Justice League. An idea following me. Still, it's a gas.
Hey guys, this is all in one piece. Watch my back when I try to break into the security panel. We need to get into LexCorp to free the team. Blast those LexCorp reserve team.
Good work! Those things were trying to take control of the Batmobile. Let's get moving. I'm sure they already know we're here. I warned you about joining forces with the Justice League. You'll now face the full force of my class of blast.
Well,
Over here, guys! Help us free the League!
LexCorp, target and destroy the intruders. It's over, Luthor.
Where are we? Cover us, reserve team!
Blast those LexCorp.
I got this! Don't let them get away! No! Whoa! Let's move! Coming up! Look out! I got it! What more? I got you now!
Thank you for saving the city of Metropolis. We'd like to make you all honorary members of the Justice League.
Okay, gang. Let's check out how you scored on your mission.
Great job. Nice job. Nice shooting, team.
You should be very proud.
Now let's see who took the top spot. Booyah!
we celebrate with some laughing gas!
Please put your blasters away and get ready to exit the vehicle. See you next time we need help. Booyah!
Thank you for saving the city of Metropolis. We'd like to make you all honorary members